Remember all the events where you received goodness. Hold that thought. Hold that thought. With that thought of friendship, slowly massage your palms and open your eyes. Was it okay? Was it fine? You know what people have done? Researchers in psychology have found that even 4 weeks of yoga practice improves all parameters of body and mind. Even 4 weeks. Nowadays they are doing yoga and meditation everywhere in China, America. Very soon it will become American because they are so willing to take it. Even 4 weeks, sir, in lab conditions, 4 weeks of holding on to a yoga practice, meditation or pranayama creates impact. So this is something that we can try every day without any preconceived notion about God or anything. Just this life, this now, this moment. Right? It will work if we do it every day. Because I'm not saying, research says that. It works for me, but surely if research says that, it will work for you also. And so with this feeling, if you have any questions, we can solve them, resolve them, or we will stop.
What is indifference and
Detachment.
detachment?
Yeah. Indifference. Indifference comes from non. Detachment comes from knowing and loving together. You know, detachment is full of love. There is a misconception in our mind that Vairagya means to run away or to leave this place. No. If you see the lives of the great teachers, they were full of love, but they were detached. Why? Because they were full of love. Indifference, what we see in our life, is not detachment. It is full of self protection. There is a huge difference between indifference and detachment. Seriously. You know, in Marathi also they say alipta. Alipta means untouched. There are two ways in which you can be untouched, you know. One way is you don't let others to touch you. Other way is you let others to touch you but not get affected. That's the difference between detachment and indifference. In this world, you know, in the name of detachment, people become indifferent. Because detachment means you must suffer along with others. To be willing to accept the suffering of others. Like Buddha himself is so detached, but he suffers along with others, all of us.
Feeling is there.
Yes, yes, ma'am. In fact, there is a story, you know, about Ganesh. It seems, there is a story about Ganesh. It seems once he hit a cat. He was a baby, he hit a cat. And the cat got marks on her body. And he went back to his mother and he saw she had marks on her body. And he felt very upset that his mother was hurt. So he said, what happened? She said, every time you hurt others, you hurt me. She is detached, but she is willing to suffer for others. That is detachment. Thank you.
Thank you, Shilpa. We really enjoyed it. I'm sure any questions you have for her, she'll be here itself, so you can ask her. And we are moving on to the next program here, which is going to begin in another 5 minutes. Before that, Ambalam likes to thank Shilpa for your wonderful, wonderful, wonderful experience that you shared with us. Thank you so much.